Hi friends, welcome to Srividya. Yes, in present days, in front of us, one of the best opportunity, that is bank job. Yes, officially they announced IBBS. You know very well. IBBS, in this union, there are 11 banks are there. Bank of India and Bank of Maharashtra. Likewise, total 11 banks are there. They are conducting examination that for clerks. Totally they have announced officially 2557 vacancies they have announced, but including recruitment of the post in within 6 months it will be finished, so that no need to wait more and more years. So that if you start now the preparation within 6 months, you can join in the job. Yes, yeah, this total process they are conducting 2 levels of examination, that is a preliminary examination and a mains examination. My dear friends, before going to start the preparation, we have to know the structure of the examinations, how they are conducting, what are the subject they are conducting, what is the structure of how many questions, how many marks, and what are the subjects. So we are discussing that. Yeah, now come to first one is preliminary examination. Actually they will conduct the preliminary examination in December, and in January 2021 main examination, and in April of this 2021 they will recruit the job also. That's why get ready, start the preparation. Within 6 months you can join in job also. Now first of all we will discuss the preliminary examination. See, but this is very important of this knowledge while you are going to start the preparation. Yes, first of all, here to in preliminary examination only 3 subjects are there. One, English language, and numerical ability and reasoning ability. Only 3 subjects. After this eligibility only you can go to write the main examination. Here some twisters are there, I will discuss that. In English language, number of questions only 30 questions, number of questions 30 questions, and 30 marks, 30 questions 30 marks, but 20 minutes only, 20 minutes. See my dear students, what is the right. Now numerical ability 35 questions and 35 marks, but only 20 minutes. Is not a simple thing. Within 20 minutes 35 bits you have to solve, but here time is separately timed. They will give the time section wise, that is English language within 20 minutes you have to finish. You should not write after 20 minutes English language. And mathematics numerical ability 35 bits 35 marks, but within 20 minutes you have to finish. That's way, especially language is not a problem, you can read and write the direct answer, but numerical ability 35 questions within 20 minutes is not a simple thing, my dears. So that you have to prepare a number of tricks and shortcuts also. Okay, don't worry, I will provide this, especially numerical ability. I will provide you shortcuts. Within half minute you can crack the question, you can crack the answer. Yes, for this 35 bits means at least 60 to 70 questions, 70% questions are from this 35 within half minute. Then only you can solve total 35 questions within 20 minutes. Okay, now that is not a simple thing. Now reasoning ability is also 35 questions and 35 marks. This is also should be in 20 minutes. If you qualify this exam, section wise qualification cutoff will be there. Cutoff in 20, cutoff in this 20 questions. Likewise they will select the section wise cutoff marks. So that this is not a simple thing, but not difficult. If we start the preparation seriously, this is not a difficult thing, but also not a simple thing. This is about a preliminary examination. Now total 100 questions are there, 100 marks only, but within 60 minutes mean 1 hour. Okay na? But here negative marks also there. I will explain in after main examination. Wait. See my dear friends, this is the main exam structure. I'll do first preliminary exam 100 questions, 100 marks, 1 hour. Now this is the main exam. This will be conducted in January 2021, January 24th 2021. Okay, just the preliminary in December, this is January, right? Here 4 parts are there, 4 subjects, 4 parts are there. Total 190 questions, 190 questions, 200 marks, but 160 minutes only. 190 questions, 160 minutes. See, okay, right. The separate subject wise, here also they will give the time separately, top subject wise. That is, first one is general awareness or financial awareness. General awareness and financial awareness. Number of questions 50, number of marks 50, but 35 minutes only. This is not a problem. You can read and write the answer directly. You can select the answer. General English 40 questions, 40 marks. Here also 35 minutes, little bit no problem, because English also they can write and read. But here reasoning and computer aptitude, reasoning and computer aptitude 50 questions but 60 marks. They will give more questions, more than 1 mark for each question. That's why 50 questions and 60 marks. My dear friends, each and every topic you have to know about these all. How many questions, how many marks, that's why I am discussing clearly, right? But here 50 questions but 45 minutes, this is also no problem, you can engage. But come to here, a quantitative, okay, clear. Quantitative aptitude, here 50 questions, 50 marks but 45 minutes. So that especially quantitative aptitude and reasoning, we have to do more and more practice with shortcuts. Okay, quantitative aptitude, first of all, already have started in our channel. In our channel, Srividya Study Circle channel, quantitative aptitude shortcuts I am providing. Shortcuts with some of the questions, with some of the topics, no formulas also, without formula also we can do the problems. So that is the about IBPS class, friends. Again I am telling, this is the best and best opportunity in present days. The bank jobs are the very best opportunity in present days. Totally 2557 roughly they told, but it will increase or decrease, that is secondary. But within 6 months you have to join, you can join in job. That's why try to utilize this opportunity and start the preparation immediately. And first of all, please, if you want to this type of shortcuts in arithmetic, subscribe our channel. Okay na, already percentage and profit and loss videos are there in our channel, but some more techniques and shortcuts I will be provide in our channel. Thank you very much to watching. If you like it, please make like and please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Keep watching. My dear friends, this total information is in, this is the official website www.ibps.in, but total 45 pages are there in the doc, everything given. You had to learn, you had to observe one thing, and this is the page number 7 I think. Yeah, each and every there. And SC ST students, they are providing free of coaching center also, free of classes for this also. Okay na, try to utilize, that's why try to read all 45 pages what they are given. Okay, thank you, keep watching.